Dear student, now we are going to solve question number 2. So in question number 2, we have given a function fx equal to fractional part of x plus fractional part of x plus greatest integer of x plus 1 plus x square and so on. And last term we have given fractional part of x plus greatest integer of x divided by 1 plus 9999 x square. Okay student, and we need to find value of f of root 2. If you are thinking about structure of the question, so it is looking like difficult question, okay, but it is very easy question if you know little bit property of fractional part function and greatest integer function. Suppose you are putting here x, okay, x belongs to integer or does not belongs to integer, it will be equal to x, this one x, it is compulsory integer, okay. If you are putting any integer or non-integer number under square bracket, so answer you will get integer, it is called greatest integer function, okay. Second one, fractional part function. Suppose here you are putting x any number plus any integer, so it is equal to x, okay. And what is range of fractional part function? Fractional part function is always less than 1 but greater than equal to 0. Suppose you are writing here 2.5, so what is the fractional part of 2.5? It will be 0.5, and 0.5 is greater than 0 but less than 1, okay student. Here greatest integer function, suppose you are writing 2.5, so 2.5 is not integer, so what is less integer? 2. Suppose here you are writing minus 3.5, so minus 3.5 is not integer, so what is less integer? It will be minus 4, okay. Maximum students sometimes write minus 3, but we need to write less integer. Now think about question. In question you need to think about second term, this one, okay, this one term. Here we have greatest integer. Think about inside the square bracket, whatever we have inside the bracket we have integer, okay. So we can write this function like that, fx is equal to fractional part of x plus fractional part of x. Let's suppose value of this bracket is equal to I1, okay, I1 means any integer, plus fractional part of x, it is also any integer, okay. Out of the square bracket definitely we will get any integer, so let's suppose that integer is I2 and so on, okay. Here fractional part of x plus here we can write I 4 times 9, okay. So here we have this one type of function, x plus any integer and fractional part of x, so it means it is equal to x, f of x is equal to fractional part of x. Here we can write fractional part of x, okay. If you are adding integer, so it will be same fractional part of x, so fractional part of x plus fractional part of x plus fractional part of x and so on, okay, fractional part of x. Now tell me how many terms are there? Except first term we have 9999 term plus one term, so total will be 10,000 terms. So we can write like that, fx is equal to 10,000 into fractional part of x. So it is the shortest value of f of x. Now what is question? Find the value of f of root 2, okay. So here we can put root 2 instead of x, 10,000 multiply root 2, okay. And what is the fractional part of root 2? First we should know what is the value of root 2. So root 2 value 1.4142 approximate value, okay. So what is the fractional part of 1.4142? It will be 0.4142, okay, only decimal part. So instead of root 2 we can write 0.4142. If we are multiplying by with 10,000, so it will be 4142, okay student. I hope you understood this question. You need to remember properties of greatest integer function and fractional part function. Greatest integer function means inside square bracket if you are putting integer number or non-integer number, after calculation you will get an integer, okay. and fractional part function, it means only decimal value you need to put. So what is the range of fractional part function? Less than 1 and greater than equal to 0. Okay student, now we will discuss question number 3.